Greetings, race fans. It's Tuesday, March 5th, 2024. We are on board the Carnival Panorama. As you can see, we are heading into Puerto Vallarta. The port is right here, if you've never been. It's also where the Mexican Walmart is, and there's a really nice mall right next to it. So if you want cheap souvenirs when you get to Puerto Vallarta, or PV as they call it, go across the street. Get off the ship first. Go across the street. Be really careful because traffic is crazy. Go to Mexican Walmart. Lots of fun stuff going on here today. We're doing the jungle horseback ride again, but this one's in a different place. So we're going up into the Sierra Madre Mountains. So that ought to be fun. Well, this is our first day ashore after, I think, 2 or 3 sea days. So we left Saturday, March 5th, or March 2nd. It's been pretty nice so far. It was rainy the first 2 days out of LA, and then it cleared up really nicely yesterday, and I got a really nice base tan sunburn. The Hotel Riu Jalisco and Hotel Riu Vallarta are over here. You can take a taxi to them. They have day passes for like $80. All you can eat, all you can drink, and access to the beach and the pool. We're out for a day of fishing. Super jealous. I'm trying to see where that Walmart is. I know it's right there. That's the mall. It's a really cool mall. There's a McDonald's in there too if you're hungry. Anyway, it's been a pretty nice cruise so far. I think this is our 4th time in Puerto Vallarta. 3rd on the Panorama. They keep giving us those $100 cruise offers from the casinos, and we keep on booking them. We're doing a 14-day LA to Hawaii this year later on, and also 16-day through the Panama Canal from Seattle to New Orleans. 16 days with only 4 days in port. That's a lot of sea days, people, to bring a book. Anyway, please smash that subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and I'm so close. I like to post videos of cool places to go, cool things to do on the ship, excursions, just cool things, you know? Things I think other people will find interesting and fun. So smash that subscribe button. We go everywhere.